Alexa, what is the time now?
The time is 6:23 p.m.
Alexa, how is the weather?
The current weather is 30 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for thunderstorms with a low of 26 degrees.
Alexa, remind me in 15 minutes.
What's the reminder for?
Switch off the TV.
Okay, I'll remind you in 15 minutes.
Alexa, set the alarm to 5 a.m. tomorrow.
Alarm set for 5 a.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, set the alarm to 5 p.m. tomorrow.
Second alarm set for 5 p.m. tomorrow. When the alarm rings, you can say something like, snooze for 10 minutes.
Alexa, play my playlist.
I'm here.
How do you do?
Talk to me.
Please tell me your problem.
Do you want my problem?
Does that suggest anything else which belongs to you?
You're not really talking about me, are you?
Do you sometimes wish you were not really talking about?
We were discussing you, not me.
What are your feelings now?
Did you think they might not be my feelings now?
Hi, what seems to be your problem?
How do you do? Please state your problem.
What makes you think of my problem?
Do you like your problem?
What makes you think of my problem?
Is it important to you that you have your problem?
You're not really talking about me, are you?
Do you sometimes think I am?
Is your spouse too?
What makes you think of my spouse too?
I'm not sure I understand you fully.
Do you know anyone else who is not sure I understand me fully?
Can you elaborate?
We were discussing you, not me.
Why do you think I'm not you?
Are you not me because of your parents?
Do you sometimes think I'm not you because of my parents?
Why do you say your parents?
Are you worried about someone else's parents?
Perhaps I am wanted about someone else's parents in your fantasies.
Alexa, delete my all alarms.
Cancelling all your alarms.
Alexa, set alarm 5 p.m. tomorrow.
Alarm set for 5 p.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, what are my upcoming alarms?
You have two alarms. 5 a.m. tomorrow and 5 p.m. tomorrow.